Peace and love, African family. Pick it like this is how you pick the tea. Okay.
This part?
Yeah.
They do not pick the leaves.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, let's pick the okay.
Just that part.
Okay, this is how you pick tea.
That's
Oh. So how about these parts?
no. This not. This is what you drink in tea.
Okay.
Supposed to be 2 leaves at the bud.
Yes.
Depending on if you want to make white tea.
Yeah.
You pick,
Okay.
White tea.
yeah, that's the bud.
Okay.
So if you make it black tea.
Oh, black tea. That's the one.
So this is tea.
Yeah, this is tea.
Oh. What do you
So,
call
so this thing lasts. How long does it last here?
Sorry?
How long does it last? Can it last for a good while?
No,
Like
every 3 years you bring it down. Shoots up again.
Okay. Oh, for 3 years.
Wait 3 years before you can pick.
Yeah.
You come and cut it down.
Yeah.
Then it shoots up again.
Oh wow. So I guess it's never die. It's just maintain.
The plant.
This is the root.
Maybe
This
70, yeah, 70s.
70 years or
Yeah.
17?
No, 1970.
This tree?
Yeah.
So where does tea come from? Where does it come from? Like
Originally it came from China and India.
in India.
This tea.
India and China, yeah, this tea. Originally.
Originally, okay.
So
Some
Kenyans,
seeds.
what the Kenyan scientists did
Uh-huh.
in old days.
You see? The seeds.
Is this seeds? Do they make seeds? Oh, this is interesting. I've never seen that.
Yeah.
Yes. Seed.
Yeah.
So they made a breed of tea.
Okay.
When back up, this is supposed to be a challenge.
Yeah, I don't think we're gonna come back this side.
You come back this side, right? No.
There's another side. Yo, slogan.
Yo.
I'm kicking in your face like Hulk Hogan. Yeah, family, so we there.
Walk with your heel.
You walk with your heel.
Yeah.
Your heel, not to get the grip. So we're going down the hill. Last time, like get a drop when him. Last time, like get a. Yeah, family, so we're there. And as I said, this can be a Jam Tours Africa tours. If you want to come and experience nature, experience the river water and stuff, you know what I mean? We can actually take you along and show you along via Jam Tours Africa. So somebody over there picking tea, Ricardo.
Yeah.
Look.
Oh, yeah.
Speaking tea.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
And you have to pick
Yeah.
every day.
Every day.
Tea.
Tomorrow you come, there'll be 2 buds.
Oh, 2 buds up.
Buds and 2 leaves.
Ah, every day.
2 leaves and a bud, yeah, every day.
Every day.
So
Wow.
this is something guaranteed income
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
for
yeah.
you every month.
Yeah, every month. Yeah.
Tell you the prices are low.
Yeah.
Price are low for real.
Mhm.
But if they're doing their own picking and shipping, they'll get a better result. Like their own packaging and shipping.
Yeah, family. So we're heading down the stream right now, family. Down the stream. Where I go right now.
The tea factory
The factories.
are owned by farmers.
Yeah. That's a shambo over there, so. Yeah. Well, this is a nice place, Ricardo. I guess look at the water just right there, so.
Yeah.
You see?
You have water.
Yeah,
Yeah,
the water, pump, you can pump it up if you want and stuff. So, you know what I mean? Just it's a nice place to do some farming. Trust me.
Really
Yeah, really nice.
I think you can cut the road properly.
Yeah.
Walk go down.
Yeah.
I'll try and make an arrangement to go see my uncle's farm
Okay.
in Kirinyaga.
Oh wow.
That's a bit more robust farm.
Mhm.
Everything coffee, tea.
Okay. Fish.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Really?
It's a whole integrated
Fish farm
system.
too.
Yeah.
So we can go and catch fish and cook it same time.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I was
yeah.
talking to a friend about the fish farm. Say, a good business for me to go into.
Yeah.
I wouldn't raise tilapia. I would do snapper.
Snapper.
Yeah.
What snapper is for freshwater, Ricardo?
No, the panfish. The red fish, panfish.
Oh, it's one that needs cold water.
You can use normal water, even river water.
Oh.
You just need a pot and you buy the panfish and they're small like the tilapia. You throw them in there and feed them.
Yeah.
Red fish until
Red
they're
fish.
about. You do it in Jamaica.
Alright.
Yeah, red fish. It's snapper also, but it's pan.
But it's pan snapper.
Yeah, pan
Yeah,
snapper.
I have.
You have sea snapper. You have
It's pan snapper.
The only difference is one is in the sea
And one is in
big
fresh.
tank, like an aquarium. Just like in tilapia, you have the farm. You can have the farm and you do the pan red snapper. So Mombasa is like 8 hours away, right? So the red snapper, if you want red snapper here in Nairobi, you go to Mombasa.
Yeah, family. So, you know what I mean? We're gonna walk, go down the street and catch up on these guys. You see what them are deal with and what them are going with. Because when you hear water, it's a different feeling to the soul. And you just want to go and hear it for yourself, family. So, you know what I mean? Let's go. Wow, things are going down here, so. What's this?
Manago.
Manago.
Yes.
Ah. You're gonna eat that all?
No, this is where you plant.
This.
Everything here can be eaten.
Yeah.
Everything in Africa can be eaten.
Yeah. Okay, you guys setting up a water system here.
So then we're ready to plant.
Oh, yeah.
So anyway, we have a lot of other kind of house. So you can get the so they live on they live here? No.
Big up yourself, my brother. Plant.
Pure plant organics.
Pure plant organics. And family, when you come into Kenya, you want to do your farming. These are the guys that help you with what?
All you have, one, we are maximizing on space using the Wonder multi-story gardens. And we also have the soil amenders, organic fertilizers. And also we are going to train you on how you can make your own organic foliars.
Wow.
and
Yeah,
pesticides.
family. Yes.
Yes.
All right, family. So you hear it from Jam Tours. We're there here. I search and I find it for you. And when we search and find it, we're actually gonna show you what go on. It's what we as a family. Yeah, guys. So we're there, and I'm gonna check out the water and see what go on. The water run and a flow and a roar. So we're gonna check it out. Where you say, my brother? My brother from where you say business name? Samba Solutions. Yeah. Where you say I meditate with the water?
I love meditation with water.
So after you go Mount Kenya, go wash off yourself. I was there the other day, and I went and go into the water, and the water was like electric coming up.
Oh.
It's so special, like I never felt nothing like that before.
I love water.
Yeah.
I was born in a lake town.
Okay.
In Naivasha.
Naivasha, okay,
Yeah.
yeah.
And I love water. Yeah, the ramjet pump.
Okay, yeah.
It's there, so it keeps pumps here, then it goes up.
Yeah. Yeah, family. So we're there, and we are scope out the place, and I map out the place for you, and we are show you what go on. So when you come, we'll actually know, you know what I mean, you know who to link up with, you know where to find this, where to get this and stuff, family. Yeah. Yeah, family. So how you like the place so far?
Nice, man.
Nice.
Like home.
So where you can see yourself doing yourself?
Anything.
Anything.
Can plant because there's water.
There's water and everything. Yeah.
And as you can see, it's very green.
Very
so that
green.
means- Wow.
Yeah, man. So you know what I mean, light up the connection and everything. The water. Yeah.
Nice.
Come on, man. Yeah. Yeah. Know where the water come from?
Yeah.
Come all the way from up there, so. Yeah. I think
Like some place at Clarendon, you know?
Yeah.
Anything you do with the sea,
Yeah.
coffee and other things.
Yeah. Well, if we could get some Jamaican
No corn, plant also sweet corn and
if we could get some Jamaican stuff to plant over here.
Yes, man.
Yeah, man, that'd be very good. Yeah.
So it's actually that good.
Yeah, man, of course. If we can get that, yeah.
Can get-
Trust me. Yeah.
I mean, I understand someone that from seedlings the other day, but
Yeah.
never
Yeah.
get
Yeah, when Aki agro grow like wildfire, because I must say produce a lot of seeds. So, you know what I mean? Yeah. We're going to try to get some rare seed that is not here.
Yeah.
In the place. Yeah. I'll tell him to take off his shoes, family. I'm going to put him foot in the water. You know what I mean? I wonder if you can get the same feeling. I'm going to test it out and see if you can get the same feeling.
Cold,
Like-
but that's as cold as
Like-
cold as Mount Kenya.
And Mount Kenya. Yeah, families. I'll say I'm going to take off his foot. Go in the water. Tell me how it feels. How it feels?
Cold, yeah.
It's cold.
Cold and nice.
But you feel different from Mount Kenya, not true?
Yeah, not as cold as
Not
Mount
as cold,
Kenya.
yeah. Yeah, family. So we're there.
Man, this is home.
This is home.
Yeah, nature is my home.
Yeah, man. Nature is God and God is nature.
That's it.
Yeah.
I am
Yeah, family. So,
and the beautiful mother nature.
yeah.
Beautiful mother nature.
So over there, so family, you can see the lady coming with the sack. That lady coming over there with the sack on her back. Lad, what else them all do with that? What them carrying there? What them carrying there? What them all do with it?
What, pump over the
Come, yeah.
or they carry water up. I think they pump it up.
The grass. What them all do with the grass?
Oh, that's after they cow them.
Oh, cow. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, lad, you have something, yes, man. You have something.
Yeah.
And I like to start the project, and the project are go good.
Yeah, you know, so we have to come here and
Come here,
do
yeah.
positive things.
Positive things, yeah.
And show the people.
Yeah. Things can happen.
What we really about.
Yeah, what we really about family. So we're there, family, as Jamaicans, and we are showing it in real life, unfiltered, and this is what we have. You know what I mean? So, you know, so when they can come and actually help build on this, that'd be a good thing. Yeah.
Yeah, so you remember if you ever arrive in this country here,
Well, say Al, you just experience Kenya, Al.
no, he wants to move out.
You want to move on?
He's gotten fed up. Cool on.
Yeah, family. So, you know, I just want you guys to know that anybody who link up with Jam Tours, you know, them always say them just experience Kenya. I'm gonna do some testimonial for you guys, and we're gonna have some people, you know what I mean, talk about, you know, after meeting Jam Tours, the difference. So our brother Al is actually going to Ghana. He's going to Ghana, and he's saying that he's gonna come back because he met Jam Tours. I'm gonna have him do a testimonial video for Jam Tours, and I'm gonna share it with you guys. So I have some other people that's here that we're gonna do a testimonial with. So, you know what I mean? Even another Jamaican brother have a testimonial from him, testimonial from Ricardo over there. So, you know what I mean? So let's do it, guys. Let's do it. You know what I mean? Yeah. Yeah, man. We've been here already, man. When I get some greens from the courier, what kind of greens you can get from me to carry?
Yeah.
I want some greens to bring home.
The greens.
Yeah, like pumpkin leaf and stuff.
I will get them.
Yeah, yes. Organize that for me and stuff. Yeah.
Lady wants to eat.
Yeah, family. So Korea is the man from this area, and as we said before that, you know, we're gonna make this be a adventure tour site for Jam Tours. When you come, you get a full tour of the river and everything. So
Then there is some places I didn't take you that time.
oh, really? Like where?
The natural forest where we have monkeys.
Wow.
Yeah, just this side.
Oh, let's go this side this time then. We're gonna go this side. Well, you know.
Go there, but we first show them before.
Oh, okay.
Because they haven't ever been there.
Okay.
Then I will take you there. You will see even how they have treated that forest.
Mm-hmm.
There is even the beautiful waterfall there.
Waterfalls.
Yeah,
Oh, wow.
not even like this one.
Not even
Just
like this one.
stone
Yeah.
from up.
Yeah.
Go there, we will visit there. See the monkeys there.
Oh man, perfect. Al, we're gonna go upstream. There's a falls.
Oh, we can't get
On that side, you can drink that water, right? You can drink that water. Yeah.
This one is not good. You just drink this one.
one, yeah.
There is somewhere we get that many water.
Yeah, up to upstream. Yeah. Yeah, family. So we're there. and we are show you what go on. So, you know, like, share and comment on the video, family. You know what I mean? Let us know your thoughts and let us know we are here and we are building and we are showing you, you know what I mean, what is happening, the reality of what is happening.
All of them are coming here, so there must be something.
No, because we have that magic in us.
Oh, Jamaicans.
So we have to bring that magic and export it.
Yeah, that's
Africa is the cradle.
yeah, it's a cradle. Yeah. Coming home. Yeah.
Otherwise we'd stay there and not leave, but then there'd be too much of us. And it would be lopsided.
No.
Well, at least there would have been more development, because we would have to start moving into the countries and the mountains.
Yeah.
Because the cities would be overflowed.
Yeah.
Do you have a mountain in?
Oh yeah, Blue Mountain.
Yeah, we have a
mountain with snow. No. Well, they say sometimes.
Yeah, sometimes there's snow. Yeah, there's upon Blue Mountain. Yeah.
Bullhead Mountain, not so much. But yeah, they say it gets snowy sometimes.
Yeah.
What happened?
Yeah, family. So like, share, and comment on the video. Let us know your thoughts. We're gonna go to another attraction site. We're gonna show you that. So let's go. Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family. And today, guys, we're actually in nature, we're in God. And we're showing you some waterfalls just outside of Nairobi, in Kembo. So if you come in, you know what I mean, it's not too far from Nairobi. You can actually get a chance to touch nature and touch God, you know what I mean. So we have like 4 Jamaicans here, and they're actually on the tour with us. So let's go. Yeah. So Korean, remove the bees, Ibe? The bees that was there the last time.
They just left.
Oh, they just left. Okay.
They went with the honey.
They went with the honey.
Yeah. No bees when they are going to another place, they don't leave the honey there.
Okay. Ah.
You carry the honey.
They don't call FedEx.
Okay. Yeah.
Then the river is bigger.
Yeah, family. So that's the waterfall. Yeah. A pump is there too. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, family. So Ricardo, what you have to say?
I'm stunned.
You're stunned.
Yo,
Yeah, man. And this is not far from.
good.
Yeah.
For the nice waterfall.
Yeah. And this is not far from Nairobi.
I love Africa, because if I was in Jamaica, if this was in Jamaica,
Yeah.
the government UDC would try to take it.
Yeah, they'll try to take it and turn it into a.
They would develop this side and turn it into a tourist attraction place, like when you go to Belzura Falls.
Yeah.
They pay to actually come here.
To actually come in. Yeah.
You can make money from here now.
Yeah.
They themselves can, the locals themselves, the Kenyans can take this and make crazy US dollars, Kenyan shillings, by cutting a road
Yeah.
and put up some people caves and the falls is there.
Yeah, just like John River Waterfall.
Waterfall.
You see a marker right there. So government is gonna take over a certain part, I think the whole river part.
Oh, they want to take it over?
Yeah.
Already?
Yeah.
Same thing I'm talking about.
If you look when we're coming over there, you see a blue marker. Look right there where the people fixing the pump. So from there, okay, they're gonna go forward. And they're gonna take over back over this year, I think.
Oh, wow.
They want it so they can sell it, set it up like just like they do to Jamaica. They come, they take over the land, They take the place. We have a lot of falls like this in Jamaica. And they take it. But people all over the world pay just to come to the falls. And the people that's in the country, the locals, They can't get access to the falls.
It's just like some of your beaches, your best beaches.
Best beaches.
Yeah, they take over.
Same thing.
Yeah, same thing.
So if the Kenyans come together,
I've been trying to find. You said jam.
whatever it is,
Yes, Jam Tours Africa. You followed me on YouTube?
this falls
No. IG.
billionaire.
I'm trying to
Follow me
figure
on YouTube, man. That's where everything goes on YouTube. Jam Tours Africa.
just jam for 1
Yeah,
million.
Jam Tours Africa.
Not millions, billions of US dollars from the falls. So if you cut the road and you put up some huts
Yeah.
and create like a thing for the kids, maybe a park or whatever, and some shops like boutique, and you bring people here, whatever you want to do, cut the bushes, put up lights, attraction stuff, chairs, a bar, restaurant,
Yeah.
this place will be packed. You can charge you $5
Slide down the lad. Slide down the gully. Yeah, family, so we're heading down the falls. And actually, you know what I mean? Let's do this. Snag a pussy shocking drive, tread him and do the 30. Yeah. Yeah, Ja. We're there in a nature. We're there in a God.
Ja!
Rastafari.
Rastafari.
Come on. Yeah, family, this is the Jam Tours Africa experience. Jam Tours Africa. Come on, tour with us. Tour with us. Yeah. Come through, come through. Yeah. Naga pussy shocking. Jam Tours.
Jam Rock Kenya.
Yeah. Yeah, family, we're there. The Jam Tours Africa family. We're there, we're there. The Jam Tours experience. Yo! Yo! Boop! So slogan slide down the gully, stack a pussy shocking drive straight. You might do it.
Yeah, find the goal inside. If they want to know, what's the
Find it.
farmer, make them wheel.
Jam Tours Africa family. Come through, come on now. Yeah. Yeah. The Jam Tours family there.
And we need a few sea stone. We need some sea stone.
Yeah.
Just line it on the place.
Yeah, man, line up the place and make it nice, man. Yeah.
When the sea stone is there now,
Yeah.
you just see no mud. And the
Yeah.
water just clear.
Clear, yeah.
It's one mud.
Because our muddy water look dirty, but the water not really
It's
dirty.
not dirty.
It's not dirty, yeah.
Clean.
It's clean.
Because the ground is
Ground,
mud.
yeah.
And it's not like sinking mud, it's clear.
It's clear, yeah.
So it's solid.
So the solid, yeah.
So the water is reflecting
Yeah.
bottom of the ground.
Bottom of the ground, but the water not dirty.
Yeah, but if you have Jamaica, the reason why the water is clear is because there's sand.
There's sun,
So the
yeah.
sand is clear,
Yeah.
water
Water clear,
surface is clear.
Yeah.
So if we get some sea stone and we blast the sea stone around,
Yeah.
Just paint the bed.
Paint the bed, yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
Want it clean and
Clean and glassy
nice.
and clear, yeah.
Very attractive.
Very attractive, yeah. Yeah. What's that? Fish?
Where?
Mud fish.
Where? Where?
Janga.
Here? Oh, crab. Fish.
Yeah. Yeah, no fish. Yeah. Water to come there.
What a folder. What a picture.
What a picture.